The next topic is polarization. Here, polarization. Polarization explains about the Poisson's rules, and this polarization also explains about the covalent nature of ionic bond. Covalent nature of ionic bond. Simply, what is polarization process? Here, suppose I have a cation and there is anion, and here anion means the electron cloud is moving around it symmetrically. Whenever the cation approaches towards anion, or cation and anion are coming closer, then what happens means cation attracts the electron cloud of the anion. So whenever the electron cloud is attracted, it is bulged or it is elongated towards the cation. This type of elongation of electron cloud of anion towards cation is called as polarization process. And here cation is attracting the negative charge or electron cloud of anion, that is also called as polarizing power. Polarizing power of cation. It is called as polarizing power of cation. And the ability of anion to polarize by cation. The ability of anion to polarize by anion is called as polarizability. So polarizability word is used for anion. Polarizing power is used for cation. Because cation attracts the electron cloud, so anion electron cloud is attracted towards cation, and we are observing the elongation of the electron cloud. And in this process, what happens? Suppose if there is an ionic compound, but when cation is attracting this negative charge of the anion, what happens? Slowly the negative charge is depositing on the cation, and this become neutral, and this anion also become neutral. Whenever there is no charge, then what happens? Both will become neutral species. If neutral species are having attractions, it is simply called as covalent bond. So there is a covalent nature in every ionic bond or in every ionic compound. So the covalent nature of ionic bond or ionic compound is explained by the concept polarization. Or you simply remember, polarization means it is telling about the covalent nature. Simply, covalent nature of a compound is explained by polarization. If polarization is more, then covalent nature is more. If polarization is less, then polarization is less means covalent nature is less. And there is some factors which influences polarization. Here, remember always, polarization means nothing but covalent nature. Some factors are there which influences. In that first one is here size of cation. So now tell me, which size of cations polarize more, or polarization power of cation is more when? Here if the size of cations is smaller, means polarization, if you are taking, the polarization is inversely proportional to size of cation. Whenever smaller cation is there, then nuclear attraction is more, and so it can attract the electron cloud of anion strongly, and the polarization is more. So polarization is more when size of cation is less. That is first point. Okay. And suppose second point, when we are taking, the second point is size of anion. Size of anion. Here anion size is bigger. For example, anion is bigger in size. Then what happens? It can be attracted or distorted of electron cloud occurs easily. So polarization occurs easily whenever the size of anion is more. So first of all, size of cation inversely related to polarization. This is inversely proportional. Whereas polarization and size of anion are directly proportional. And the third point here, third point we are telling, that is a charge on cation. Whenever charge on cation is taken, polarization here, polarization if you are taking, polarization is directly proportional to charge on cation. Here charge on cation is more. Charge on cation is more whenever polarization is also more. And then here for example, Li is taken, LiCl, and MgCl2 is taken, AlCl3 is taken, and SiCl4 is taken. For example, in this Li charge is plus 1, Mg charge is plus 2, Al is plus 3, Si is plus 4. So which is having more charge? Silicon. Yes, the silicon is having more charge, and so it has high ability to attract the negative charge of anion. Next and fourth point, charge on anion. Here charge on anion. Whenever charge on anion is taken, polarization is directly proportional. Here also it is directly proportional to charge on anion. Why? Because this, for example, if you are taking F minus and if you are taking O minus 2, if you are taking N minus 3, in these 3 ions which is bigger in size? Yes, N minus 3, because it has 7 protons only but electron number is 10. So whenever charge is more, then it easily getting distorted, or the ability of polarizability. The polarizability is more for this, and so polarization occurs easily, and this is charge. Okay, so these are more important factors. First one, size of cation. Please remember, polarization is inversely proportional to size of cation. And second factor, size of anion, directly proportional. Third factor, polarization is directly proportional to charge of cation. Or fourth factor, polarization is directly proportional to charge of anion. And the last factor, electronic configuration. Here if electronic configuration is taken, what happens? How it depends upon the polarization. Polarization how decided based on the electronic configuration. Suppose the fifth factor, here the fifth factor, that is electronic configuration. Is the fifth factor, that is electronic configuration. Electronic configuration. So how this influences the polarization? Here we are explaining into two types of electronic configuration. One is called as unit gas configuration. Unit gas configuration containing cations. Unit gas configuration means how many electrons? Yes, it is 8 electrons. And the second type is called as a pseudo unit gas configuration. Pseudo unit gas configuration. So pseudo unit gas configuration containing here pseudo unit gas configuration means, please remember, that is 18 electrons configuration. Whenever 18 electron configuration is present, here for example polarization is taken. How this is affected? Polarization is directly proportional to 8 electron configuration less than 18 electron configuration. First of all, I will give the example for 8 electron configuration. Na plus and 18 electron configuration Cu plus. So here copper plus, when we are taking, it has 8 electron configuration. It is actually 29. Configuration is 29, but 1 electron it is losing. So minus 1, you will get 28 electrons totally. And actually configuration is argon 3d10 4s1. And here it is having argon 3d10. Argon 3d10 means it is 3s2, 3p6, 3d10 in the valence shell. So we can say it is having 18 electrons in its valence shell. So basing on this 18 electron configuration we are having, so this is called as pseudo-energy gas configuration. And in these two, which is better means 18 electron configuration has a high polarization than 8 electron configuration. How? Suppose Na plus we are taking and here Cu plus 1 we are taking. Z effective, the Z effective of Na plus is less than Z effective of Cu plus. What is Z effective? Do you know Z effective? Here Z effective means it is effective nuclear charge. Whenever effective nuclear charge is measured from the screening constant value, then the Z effective value of Na plus is lesser than Z effective value of Cu plus. Means effective nuclear charge is more for pseudo-energy gas configuration containing species. So they are having high affinity to attract the electron cloud. So pseudo-energy gas configuration present, they have high polarizing power. This is another important factor for the polarization to explain. The last point, ionic potential. Here ionic potential, or it is also indicated with pi, and this is also simply called as the polarizing power of cation. Simply we can say polarizing power of cation is also mentioned in the form of ionic potential. So polarizing power of cation or ionic potential pi simply is directly proportional to what? If size of cation is lesser, ionic potential is lesser. So ionic potential and polarization power if we are taking. So for example, cation charge by cation size. So polarizing power of cation or ionic potential is directly proportional to cation charge. When charge is more, then ionic potential or polarizing power of cation is more. When cation size is less, then ionic potential value or polarizing power of cation is more. Okay, this is about ionic potential. It is also one important term. Okay.